At Casabrews, we believe your espresso machine should do more than just make great coffee. You should protect your health and your home. Most machines use aluminum thermoblocks that can warp or fail at around 600 degrees Celsius. The 5418 Pro uses a thick film heating element made of premium stainless steel and coated with high temperature glass that remains stable even above 1000 degrees Celsius. This durable combination ensures longer lifespan and superior safety. If any single point on the heating plate overheats, the machine instantly stops heating within 0.2 seconds. That's 5 times faster than traditional machines. This rapid response prevents damage before it starts, keeping your machine safe and reliable. In short, healthier materials, safer heating, smarter protection.